Hey folks, I'm back. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Went to the VA yesterday and had a CT scan done for that. Thinking I had a stroke behind the left eye, and they cleared me on that. Did not have a stroke behind the left eye. Still got another appointment with the eye doctor at the VA, and I think what actually happened was I think I got a scratch on the new lens when they removed the cataract and had to put a new lens in. I'm not sure on that yet, but I had that July 8th, and but anyhow, the big news was that I did not have a stroke behind the left eye. And let me show you what else is going on here. Alright, so that little bugger right there, my microwave, it was going out. I would be cooking and it would just stop cooking. I mean, it wouldn't turn the whole thing off, it would just stop cooking. And I would have to keep on, putting it on and all that stuff, turning it on. And so I just decided to replace it. And so I'm in the process of doing that now. It's a smaller unit. I didn't need such a big unit. It's a smaller unit, so I've got to make some kind of covering for around there. I might even take out this top piece right here and put a shelf in there for more storage. But anyhow, that's I just got that today. And so I'm just, trying to finalize it. But anyhow, I just wanted to give you the update, let you know that I'm doing well. I'm trying to got my bus on a trickle charger. It's been a week and a half now, and it's not the 2 batteries, so it's not fully charged yet. It might be now because that was 2 days ago that I checked it. But I'm still getting trying to get the batteries or the lights going. I'm pretty sure I'm done with them. And then I just got to decide on a date of when to go get it inspected. But anyhow, I just wanted to let you know everything was going on. Everything is going well here. And I hope everybody is doing well on your end. Anyhow. We'll see you on the next video. I got a couple more videos coming up. One, I'm not going to tell you yet. You just have to wait. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.